Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into best PayPal analytics tools for tracking transaction and insight. And here's the breakdown. If you want a clearer view of your PayPal activities like sales, trend, and customer behavior, there are analytic tools that makes tracking easy and insightful. So one of them is the PayPal Business Dashboard. Itself gives you basic report on transaction, revenue, and refund, which is a good place to start with. For deeper insight, tools like Google Analytics with PayPal e-commerce integration help you see which product convert best and how buyers move through your checkout. Third-party app like Glue Biometric and Zoe Analytics can pull your PayPal data and show trend, customer segment, and revenue forecast. Great for planning, marketing, or budgeting. So if this helps you, like the video, subscribe for more smart business tools, and comment which analytics you would like to try first. And that's it.